Hi guys, welcome to Street Engineer. In this video I will show how to make 24 volt 10Ah lithium ion battery pack with BMS. So let's get into video. Guys, we need 18650 cell holder. We can also call this as a cell spacer. Take 2 cell spacer and connect together and make 7 rows and 5 column. Make 2 sets like this. In each set we used 50 cell spacer. So total 100 cell spacer is required. Now this is the 18650 lithium ion cells. Each cells has 3.7 volt and 2000 mAh. Now arrange 5 cells in parallel. Make sure all the 5 cells positive side should face upward. And in next row arrange 5 cells. Negative side should face upward. And in third row arrange 5 cells. Positive side should face upward. Like this make 7 rows. So total we used 35 cells for our battery pack. This is called 7S and 5P. Now take cell spacer and fix like this. Just gently hammer the cell spacer until it attaches with cells tightly. Now take nickel strip and cut like this. Use spot welding machine to weld the battery with nickel strip. Connect all the 5 batteries with one nickel strip. Connect like this to each sets. Make sure all the 5 positive sides should connect together and all the 5 negative sides should connect together. So after connecting we will get 3.7 volt and 10 Ah in all the 7 sets. Now connect 7 sets in series connection. Consider first row is negative terminal. So connect second and third row with each other. And connect fourth and fifth row with each other. And connect sixth and seventh row with each other. Now turn the battery, and now this is the step you should be careful. Now connect first and second row with each other and connect third and fourth row with each other and connect fifth and sixth row with each other. Seventh row is positive terminal of our battery. Now take negative terminal of battery and mark it as a 0 and its positive terminal is 1S. Then second set of positive terminal is 2S. Like this mark up to 7th row. 7th row positive terminal is 7S. And battery negative terminal should connect with BMS. In BMS it will mention B minus and P minus is output. Guys, you can see the voltage of battery pack. Now take a heat shrink PVC and cover it properly like this. So guys, our battery pack is ready. Thanks for watching. If you guys feels my videos are helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.